Another peaceful day. Just me, my thoughts, and my dreams of bacon. Intruder alert. I repeat, intruder alert. Come on, open, open, open. Why is this door so complicated? Wait, what's that? Huh, no one. Did I imagine that? Was it the wind? No footprints, no squirrels, no shady delivery guys.
A few moments later.
Show me the snacks. Wait, clothes, where's the snacks? I don't even like avocados. I'm calling my lawyer. I'm not impressed. Check again, maybe there is snacks in there. If you feel bad for me, smash that like button. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Spring 2025 fashion, featuring me.